Welcome, adventurers, to another thrilling episode of our travel series. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable journey with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate companion for capturing every moment of your travels from a whole new perspective. First up, let's talk portability. Weighing less than 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is designed for convenience on the go. Say goodbye to bulky equipment and hello to spontaneous adventures. Now, let's dive into the heart of it all. With its 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 4K at 60 FPS HDR capabilities, the Mini 4 Pro delivers stunning, true-to-life footage that captures every detail of your journey. But wait, there's more. The Mini 4 Pro comes equipped with intelligent flight modes like Active Shots 360 degrees and advanced pilot assistance systems, ensuring smooth cinematic shots with ease. And let's not forget about battery life. With up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge, you can focus on capturing your adventure without worrying about running out of power. Safety first. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APS technology, the Mini 4 Pro detects and avoids obstacles from all angles, giving you peace of mind during every flight. So there you have it, fellow travelers. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is not just a drone. It's your ticket to capturing unforgettable moments and telling your travel story like never before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy flying.